Alright, so y'all see it right now. This is the before and this is the after. There it is. Alright, so check this out. This is gonna be one of the easiest installs that you're ever gonna do. We're gonna be throwing the spoiler on the M4. Finally, if you've been keeping up with the videos, you know it comes factory with the carbon fiber on the roof. But I installed the lip recently. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. I show you exactly how to do it. Also, I show you how to protect the lip, so go check that out if you haven't seen it. But as I said, today we're gonna be installing the spoiler, which is gonna be so much easier. All we gotta do is line it up, make sure that it's flush, and we'll be good to go. So if you didn't see my previous video, go check that out. I show you everything that I got planned cosmetically for the M4. You know, my guy Bryce dropped everything off that I'm gonna be installing. And you know, you can put two and two together what we might be adding. We got the spoiler, we got the lip, so you know, only a few more things that we need. And we're gonna be going, you know, along the process. Obviously this is the easiest thing, so we're gonna be doing that right now, and then we'll decide what we go to next. All right, so first things first, we're just gonna be wiping this off with a little alcohol because we will be applying some 3M tape, and I'll show you guys exactly how we're gonna do that right now. So before we apply the 3M tape, I'm just gonna add a little adhesive promoter that's gonna allow the tape to stick on even better, because we do not want this thing flying off. And since we're not gonna be drilling into the trunk, obviously, we don't wanna do that. This is all we're gonna be using. Right, now that that's all applied, we'll go ahead and put on the 3M. And all we're gonna do is just apply it around the edges of this. Alright, and for this part, you see I just cut that in half. Boom. And this one isn't 3M, but you know, we're only using it for a small portion of the spoiler, so I think it'll be alright. Alright, I think we're all good with that. So now, you guys seen, the M4 is not the cleanest right now, you know, but it's alright. We're just gonna clean the area that we're gonna be working on, and I think we'll be good. I think you're scraping something, my G. So if you guys are interested in like the products that I use and stuff, everything is linked down below in the description. Everything I use on the channel, so go check that out. Alright, so we're just gonna mock it up and make sure everything looks good. Alright, looks good right there. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of painter's tape to make sure when I put it back on after I take the 3M off that it's all aligned the way I want it to be. The little ducks coming to see what's going on. Alright, I'm happy with that. That looks good. Got it all mocked up. Now, what I'm going to do, as you've seen before, I put a little adhesive promoter on the bottom of the spoiler. I'm also going to apply that to the car right here. That way I get as much adhesion as possible. This is always the tricky part, getting this little red part off the 3M tape. This is going to be the hardest part of the process.
Three hours later.
Alright, finally. now that that's off, let's get this thing on here, baby. Boom, first try. I think we got it good. That tape helps. The hardest part is like just making sure it's along this edge evenly. I know a lot of people, they like will put it and then they'll peel off the tape, but I don't know, that seems a little more difficult. Just, you know, put a little painter's tape, make sure it's all lined up and mocked up. I think we're good to go. I'll just make sure you press it down, you know. It's sturdy. It's sturdy on there. Yeah, we good, baby. We nice and sturdy. Let's go. I'm hyped. What do you guys think? Not too much, you know what I'm saying? The rest of the stuff is gonna make it much more aggressive. Like I said, if you haven't seen the last video, go check that out. I show you in that video everything that I got, but just enough. I'm loving it. The blue with the carbon fiber, so dope. The scat was gray, which looked sick, but you couldn't really notice the carbon fiber as much. And like with the blue, it just complements it so well. I'm loving it. Shout out to SenCal Motorsports. Make sure you guys go hit them up. Best prices, and look at the quality. You're not gonna beat the quality or the prices. Make sure you go hit them up. Use the discount code LouieXIII for money off your order. You guys see it, man. We out here, baby. This is just, I was gonna say the first step, but you guys know, like I showed you, we did already put the lip on, and we got much more to come. Stay tuned.